Guys, today I'd like to answer this question of, does a night guard help with chronic teeth grinding, or is it an effective way to use a night guard for teeth grinding? So yes, it does, and I'm going to explain to you. So a night guard is more like this mouthpiece which you wear in your sleep that forms this protective barrier, this protective layer between your upper and lower teeth. So it will mean that it will prevent you from damaging your teeth further, but as you will end up grinding the night guard. So it's like this barrier which enables you not to grind your teeth but grinding the night guard. So of course it helps, because it will mean that you will not end up ruining or breaking your teeth further. So it's helping you lessen the damage you'll have in your oral care. But does it eliminate chronic teeth grinding? No, it doesn't. It's because while it helps you with not damaging your teeth further, it doesn't help with dealing with the cause of the problem, or the underlying issue which is fueling this chronic habit. Like, what is really driving you to drive your teeth? Is it excessive stress? Is it excessive anxiety? Is it unmanageable anger? So when you just focus on the night guards, it will mean that you'll be replacing your night guards every now and then, because you'll end up even damaging the night guard because you can't stop your grinding. So all these things work side by side. If you manage the underlying issue, it will mean that even if you'll be grinding, the grinding will be not as frequent, because you're not using it as a coping mechanism. Because actually, I think from research, you can use a night guard for 1 to 2 years if you are a grinder, let's say for some medical reasons or for some normal reasons. But if you are a chronic grinder, you may use it for 1 or 2 months, and then you'll be replacing it every now and then. So when you don't really deal with the underlying issues, it ends up becoming more and more expensive to grind, because you'll be changing your night guard more and more often, because you are wearing it off, because your grinding is not stopping. So now, if you work side by side by dealing with the emotion, or dealing with the emotion which is causing this habit to be chronic, or which is fueling this habit, it will mean that yes, your grinding may be there, but it will not be as much or as intense as before. So you can still wear that night guard now, but you will use it for the longest time possible, even 2 years, 3 years, of course, depending on the specifications of your dentist. So all these things work side by side. Yes, use that night guard, but also understand that you can lessen the intensity of this grinding by working on the underlying issues which led to the development of this habit as a coping mechanism. Because what you realize is, as you work on your stress and your anxiety, or the underlying issues, you'll be releasing more tension from your jaws and from your teeth. So the grinding will lessen. It may not at times end completely, but it will lessen, and that lessening will of course make you feel relieved. You'll not be stressed, and you'll not end up spending a lot of money having repeated dental visits, or even just being frustrated because you can't stop the habit. So there's a correlation between going to the dentist, using a night guard, and working on the underlying issues. Both help, but don't ignore the aspect of looking at the emotions which are fueling this habit. Hope that makes sense, guys. And this doesn't mean that you stop using your night guard. No, just use it, but know that you still have to face that emotion, or those emotions which are fueling this habit, or which are making you adopt this habit as a coping mechanism. Feel free to ask me any questions, and have a wonderful week ahead.